What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to season 2, I guess, of me doing work on my bike when I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. As you would suspect, it is winter here in Toronto right now. It's time to get some work done on your bike. Now, I have a whole host of things that I need to do, just some maintenance kind of stuff. I have to buy a new light. Now, I bought this one from Moto Dynamic. I do plan on getting a TST Industries this time around, and I'm also going to get a proper mounting for my license plate here. Maybe some of you might have seen my little hack job that I had done last season, so which, by the way, I am not a licensed mechanic. I'm just showing you what I do. You know, anybody with a little bit of mechanical experience can kind of pick apart these bikes, so it's pretty simple. The next thing that I got to do is I need to replace this tire. So as you can see, there ain't a whole lot of tread left in the middle here, and don't be making fun of my chicken strips. I got to get this wheel off. I am not going to be switching the tire myself, actually. That is probably something that's a little bit beyond my expertise, and I'm dropping it off to somebody that does bike work on the side who is a licensed mechanic. So if anybody's looking for a slightly worn Michelin Pilot Road 4, hit me up on Instagram. So another thing that I want to do is I want to replace these ugly ass pumpkin signal lights. I did go ahead and I ordered the TST kit that you can look for on their website, and I got the super flush mounts lights, so I'm going to definitely put those in. I think I'm going to switch out my headlight bulb, because if you got an MT07 you know that the light absolutely sucks on it, so I'm going to probably switch that out. You can find some cheap Amazon ones. I also got to change my brake fluid. I've had this bike now since 2019 and I've put about 20,000 kilometers on it, and I've not touched the brake fluid. Now I do know it's probably time to be changed, because I've had a couple people tell me now that the color of it is not the color that it's supposed to be. So apart from the basic maintenance that I got to do, I also got this 46 tooth sprocket. Now I have no idea if it's going to fit on the stock chain. Stock sprocket size on the MT07 is 43, so it is a little bit bigger with the 46. I also have to send in my ECU to Two Wheel Dyno Works, or 2WDW. They offer a great mail-in service, and I plan on doing that just because it makes it so much more easier. So I'm going to take off my side panel, I'm going to ship it in. I'll show you guys the sprocket, the light, rear light. Maybe I might buy a sub cage. I might put that on. I'm going to show you how to take off the wheel. And so if you want to follow along, learn some basic motorcycle maintenance, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment. I'll try to answer as best I can if you got a question. And until next time, ride safe.